Managing your money doesn't have to be confusing or stressful, especially in 2026. But with so many apps out there, how do you pick the best ones that can actually help you save, budget, track spending, and grow your money? In this video, we're breaking down the top money management apps in the US, what they do, and who they're best for, so you can stop guessing and start winning with your money. Most Americans struggle with basic money management because they either use outdated tools or try to track everything manually. That leads to missed bills, overspending, no savings, and financial stress. But the right apps can automate all of this if you know which ones actually work. The best money apps today do more than show your balance. They help you track income and expenses automatically, plan and manage budgets, detect recurring bills and subscriptions, set savings goals, sometimes even help you invest and build wealth. The key is choosing the right tool for your financial goals. Number 1, Quicken Simplify. Best for families or anyone who wants a complete household finance manager. Quicken Simplify gives you a full dashboard that shows income, bills, spending categories, savings goals, and even credit score tracking in one place. You can set custom savings goals, track upcoming bills, and see a detailed breakdown of where your money is going, all automatically. It isn't free, but at around $2.99 a month with a money-back guarantee, it's one of the most comprehensive yet affordable solutions for serious money managers. Number 2, YNAB, You Need a Budget. Best for people who want behavioral change and financial discipline. YNAB doesn't just track money, it forces you to assign every dollar a job first, a method called zero-based budgeting. This means you give every dollar a purpose before you spend it. And this approach teaches you to think intentionally about money. It has a learning curve, but users often report dramatic improvements in savings and less overspending. There's a free trial, then a subscription cost. But for many, the discipline it builds is worth it. Number 3, NerdWallet. Best for people who want a free and comprehensive money overview. NerdWallet links all your accounts, tracks spending, monitors your net worth, and even shows your credit score, all for free. It's ideal if you want a no-cost, powerful tool that gives you insights and suggestions all in one place. It also provides trusted educational content to help you make smart financial decisions. Number 4, Rocket Money, formerly Truebill. Best for saving money by cutting waste and negotiating bills. Rocket Money automatically scans your accounts for subscriptions and recurring charges, lets you cancel unused services, and can even negotiate bills like cable or phone on your behalf for a fee. If you tend to lose track of subscriptions, this app can put money back in your pocket with very little effort. It also offers a handy bill calendar and spending insights. Number 5, Lunch Money. Best for people who want detailed analytics and customization. Lunch Money is a budget app that gives you deep insights, transaction categorization, and spending analytics, all customizable to how you think about money. It is web-first, with desktop support and strong mobile compatibility, ideal for people who like a more detailed, analytical view of their finances. Number 6, Monarch Money. Best for couples, families, and advanced money managers. Monarch provides a single dashboard for comprehensive financial tracking, including expenses, investments, bills, and more. Its swipe to review and AI-based transaction categorization make finance management smoother and more intuitive. It's a paid app, but its collaborative tools and net worth tracking make it worth considering if you want full-picture finance visibility. Even though they aren't full budgeting suites, these apps offer complementary capabilities. Cash App, a popular all-in-one money tool that lets you send/receive money, save, invest, and even file taxes right from the app, used by millions of Americans. Splitwise, great for managing shared bills and expenses with friends or roommates. These tools aren't always full finance suites, but they solve specific problems people frequently face. Not every app is perfect for everyone. Ask yourself, do I want simple budgeting or advanced tracking? Do I need subscription management? Do I want free tools, or am I willing to pay for features? Will I share this app with a partner or spouse? Your needs determine the right choice, not the most popular app. The best money management app for you is the one you actually use consistently. Start with one that fits your current goals, whether it's tracking expenses, cutting waste, saving more, or planning long term. If you found this list helpful, subscribe for more honest, simple, and practical personal finance advice focused on U.S. money management in 2026 and beyond.